Assalamu alaikum students. In the series of lectures on social linguistics, today I am going to discuss about Pidgin and Creole languages. What is Pidgin? In linguistics, a Pidgin is a simplified form of speech formed out of one or more existing languages, and it is used as a lingua franca by people who have no other language in common. It's also known as an auxiliary language. Now I will discuss some major features of Pidgin. Pidgins usually have the following characteristics. Their morphology is usually isolating, and they tend not to have complicated phrase structures. Their syllables tend to be simple and often lack codas. Consonant clusters are simplified. Linguistic characteristics such as gender and number, like singular and plural, are excluded. Now I will discuss about Creole. A Creole language is a stable natural language developed from a mixture of different languages. Unlike a Pidgin, a simplified form that develops as a means of communication between two or more groups. A Creole language is a complete language used in a community and acquired by children as their native language. When a Pidgin begins to acquire native speakers who use it as a primary language, the Pidgin turns to be a Creole. So we can say that a developed form of Pidgin is called Creole. Now, what's the history of these languages? Creole languages are vernacular languages that developed in a colonial European plantation settlements in the 17th and 18th centuries as a result of contact between groups that spoke mutually unintelligible languages. Creole languages most often emerged in colonies located near the coasts of the Atlantic Ocean or the Indian Ocean. Most commonly, Creoles have resulted from the interaction between speakers of non-standard varieties of European languages and speakers of non-European languages. Creole languages include varieties that are based on French, such as Haitian Creole, Lithuanian Creole, and Mauritian Creole. Now I will discuss the term Pidginization and Creolization. The process by which a Pidgin develops is called Pidginization, and the process by which a Pidgin becomes a Creole is called Creolization. Thank you for watching.